In this video, we will see how to install Wamp server on Windows 10 operating system. Wamp is a Windows operating system oriented web development software package. It helps to set up a local web server environment on Windows operating system. Wamp package includes Apache web server, MySQL database server, and PHP scripting language. So let us see how we can download and install Wamp server on Windows 10 operating system. First, open your browser and search Wamp. Click on this link from wampserver.com, which is the Wamp server official website. Click on download. Click on Wamp server 64 bits 3.3.7, which is the latest version of Wamp server at the time of making this video. You can fill up this form giving your details if you want, but it is quite optional. You can skip filling this form and download Wamp server using this download directly link. So I am going to click this link. This will take us to the SourceForge.net website. This will start downloading Wamp server shortly. So the download has started. Wait until the download is finished. The Wamp server download is complete. Open the downloaded file. Here is the wampserver.exe file that we have just downloaded. Double click the exe file. The setup will confirm. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Keep the default language English. Click OK. You can read the license agreement. Select I accept the agreement. Click next. Now read these installation instructions carefully. The Wamp server depends upon a number of redistributable packages like VC10, VC11 and so on. So these redistributable packages should be installed in your system to ensure the seamless functioning of Wamp server. If you scroll down below, you can see a link. You can use this link to check whether all VC++ packages are installed in your system. You will need to copy paste this link into your browser, which is a tool that will let you know which of the mandatory redistributable packages are missing in your system. Let me copy this link into browser URL window. This will download the tool. Once the tool is downloaded, open the downloaded file. This is the exe file for the tool. Double click. Select yes to allow installation. Select OK. We will not be using PHP 5.3 or 5.4. So select no. Click check. The tool will show the results. So we can see these listed redistributable packages are not installed in the system. We will need to install all of them manually. If we go back to the setup, there is another link below the tool where you can find all the required redistributable packages. So I will copy this link, paste it into the browser URL window. From this site, we can download all missing redistributable packages. For that, click on this button VC++ packages. Here you can see two sections for the packages. First one is 32-bit and second is 64-bit version of the packages. Or from this link below, you can download the packages altogether, either 32-bit version or 64-bit version, and install all of them in one single step. So here, for ease of use, I will download 64-bit version of all redistributable packages by clicking this link. This will start downloading the redistributable packages. Wait until the download is finished. So we have downloaded this zip file. Let us extract the zip file to see its contents. So these are the redistributable packages we have downloaded. If we open the tool setup and check which redistributable packages are missing, the first one is this package. Let us check whether it is available inside the packages we have downloaded. You can see it here. Double click the file to install the package. Accept the terms of license. Click install. Click finish, and you can follow the same step to install all these remaining missing packages. Once you have installed all missing redistributable packages, go to the check VC++ tool again. Click check. Now the tool will show all VC++ packages needed by the Wamp server are installed correctly. Click OK. Now we can go back to the installation process. Click next. The setup will install Wamp server to this location by default. You can change this location from here if you want. We will keep this unchanged. Click next. The setup is preparing to install Wamp server. The installation process has started. Setup is asking Edge will be used as the default browser by Wamp server, and do you want to choose another browser installed on your system? Let me choose Chrome as the default browser. So click yes. Let us go to Chrome exe file, see program files, Google Chrome, application chrome.exe. Select and click open. Now setup is asking Notepad will be used as the default editor by Wamp server, and do you want to choose another editor installed on your system? Let me choose VS Code as the default editor for Wamp server. Click yes. Go to the location in your system where VS Code is installed. Select and click open. This will change the default text editor for Wamp server to VS Code. You can read this information and click Next. Click Finish. The Wamp server installation is complete. To verify the installation, go to Search and type Wamp. Click on this Wamp link. Select Yes. The Wamp server is running. We can verify whether Wamp server is running by calling localhost inside the browser URL. This is the Wamp server dashboard. If you are able to see a dashboard like this, Wamp server is installed in your system.